In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Whop payments verification, addressing the Stripe payout issue so you can get back to smoothly receiving your funds. Let's dive right in and tackle this problem step by step to ensure all your efforts in your business or personal transactions pay off as they should. First, you'll want to go to your Whop dashboard and navigate to the Payout section. Once there, you'll see the option to set up Whop payments. It's crucial to start this process off correctly, so make sure to select your country accurately. This selection will influence some of the subsequent steps, so a correct choice here sets a solid foundation. Next, you'll need to fill in your identity documents. These can include your passport, an ID card, or any government-issued document that confirms your identity. This step is vital for compliance with financial regulations, ensuring that the payments are securely linked to your verified identity. Following that, you should enter your bank details. Be sure to provide accurate information for the account number, your bank's routing number, and the currency in which you want to receive your payments. Getting this information correct is essential, as any errors could delay your funds or send them to the wrong place. Now comes a crucial waiting period. Once you've entered all this information, Stripe will review your Know Your Customer or KYC submission for approval. This step ensures that your account aligns with compliance requirements. Be patient, as this verification can take some time depending on the volume of submissions that Stripe is handling. Once approved, you'll see a notification that says Payouts Enabled. This is your green light indicating that everything is set up correctly on Stripe's end, and you can now attempt to withdraw your funds. If you try withdrawing your funds and experience any issues, don't panic. A common error can occur, and if it does, you'll see an option to click Retry. Utilize this feature, as it often resolves minor hiccups quickly. However, if you notice that the status of your transaction turns to completed and the funds have not shown up in your bank account, it's time to take a closer look. Check the Trace ID provided for the transaction, as this will give you valuable tracking information. If tracking details aren't helping, or you're still unsure about where your funds are, reach out to Whop or Stripe support for assistance. They can provide you with detailed insights and solutions specific to your situation. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any verification issues with your Whop payments and ensure that your Stripe payouts are processed efficiently. Thank you for watching, and good luck managing your financial transactions.